If you're looking to build a writing routine that sticks, AI can help you take it to the next level. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a writing routine that works for you and how to leverage AI to stay on track and productive. First, let's talk about consistency. One of the most crucial steps in building a writing routine is setting a regular time to write. Whether it's first thing in the morning or late at night, consistency is key. But here's where AI comes in. You can use it to set reminders and create automated scheduling that helps you stick to your writing time. AI can help track your writing hours, suggest optimal times for productivity, and send reminders to stay on track. Next, you need to tackle the hardest part of any writing routine: getting started. Many people struggle with writer's block, but AI can assist in overcoming that. You can use AI-powered tools to generate prompts, ideas, or even entire paragraphs to kickstart your writing session. This will help you get into the flow quickly, rather than staring at a blank page for too long. You can also use AI to suggest themes or writing styles, ensuring that you have a fresh perspective every time. Once you've started, it's time to stay focused. The software we'll be using allows you to set writing goals, track your word count, and even analyze your progress. It's like having a writing coach with you at all times. It can suggest improvements, flag inconsistencies, or highlight areas where you could expand your ideas. If you're someone who gets distracted easily, you can also use AI to block notifications and distractions, helping you maintain focus during your writing session. Another powerful tool in your writing routine is content structuring. With AI, you can quickly organize your thoughts, outline chapters, and set a clear direction for your writing. The software we'll be using can analyze your content and suggest logical flow or gaps in your structure. This helps ensure your writing is clear and concise without wasting time on unnecessary revisions. Now, let's talk about revision. Once you've finished your first draft, AI can help you with editing. The software we're using can check for grammatical errors, clarity, and readability. You can get feedback on tone, style, and even pacing, which saves you hours of manual editing. Finally, AI can help with motivation and accountability. The software we'll be using can track your progress, show you your writing streaks, and help you stay motivated. It can also provide feedback on your consistency, and that constant reinforcement will keep you moving forward. As a quick reminder, if you want to follow along with the software we used in this video, I've linked an exclusive free trial in the description below. This is available only to viewers of my channel. Key takeaway: building a writing routine with AI is all about consistency, staying motivated, and using the right tools to help with the toughest parts of writing.